Was this a bad idea? This video is turning into a comedy video. It's really annoying me. I honestly regret it.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ayushi and today I decided to cut my hair because we're in quarantine and everyone are doing it. So I was like, why don't I do it too? And surely, as you can see, it is a bad idea. It was a bad idea. I've already done it. So this is the best that I'm gonna be looking throughout this video, and it is not good either. So just be prepared. I wanna warn you because the quality of my looks as well as my hair is going to go like this throughout this video. So I hope you enjoy. I also thought that throughout this video I'll be sharing a few hair tips that I know and I have been using. I have not researched anything. These are the things that I've been doing for a very long time and that have been effective for my hair, I can say. And they are maybe not the best for your hair, but they have been working out pretty well for me. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing, I've been wanting bangs for a really long time. It's been a couple of years that I've wanted bangs, but I do not trust myself with doing it. So yeah, let's see if I get to cutting my bangs. And also the second thing, I don't know how to use scissors. I'm a left-handed person and for some reason I can't use the scissors really well. So that is going to be another problem that we'll be tackling today. But yeah. So I watched a couple of videos on how to do this and I'll link it down for you if it works. If it doesn't, then just find another video. And I haven't written down what I was going to say in this video as tips. I'll just be randomly adding them here and there whenever I remember them. I used to notice that my hair used to get really greasy when I used to wash it more than twice a week. Don't wash your hair a lot, wash it only twice, that is sufficient, because if you wash it more than twice, it strips away your natural oil and starts producing more oil. I'm repeating it again, but most of the tips in this video are not going to be really professional because I myself am really new to the subject. I just started really taking care of my hair. So yeah, I am no professional. So I don't know, these work for me. So and maybe you already know these tips. But yeah. Okay, what should I do? Should I just do this one? Tie it over here like this. And then okay, I'll start with that. I'll tie it over here in two parts and then cut off the bottom part. And then to make it straighter, I'll do it like this. Cut it. I've been talking for too long. So you take a middle part. I'm going to tie it like this. Wow, I must be looking really good. Also, I'm checking my camera again and again because I have a really bad tripod right now. It is not even a tripod. It is a stool and a selfie stick. I don't call it a tripod. But I've been wanting a tripod for a really long time. But Amazon has stopped delivering to my area because it is a huge containment zone. So yeah, I have to make this work for now. Okay, I guess this is how much I'll be chopping off at the start if I figure out how to use the scissors. Another thing I like to say is that if you think you have oily hair, don't think that you don't need to apply oil to it just because you already have oily hair, because it is really important. I stopped applying oil to my hair for like 4 or 5 years and it got drier and drier while also getting oilier. It was a really weird state. So I don't use oil, but I use this oil replacement cream by L'Oreal. I'll show it to you. See, I can't use a scissors for some reason. It is so tough for me to do this. I've probably already messed up. Oh, shall I just call my mom? Oh help, nothing is happening. And it's really hot in here. Really hot. Was this a bad idea? At this point, I don't even know whether I'm cutting it straight. I'm just... Okay, is there anyone else who doesn't know how to use a scissors or is not able to use a scissors for some reason? Please comment it down below. Because I don't want to be the only one who can't use a scissors. Guys, I finally did it. It's not even straight, but it is going to have to work. Okay, while I'm doing this, I'll share my next tip that I have. That is, even if you like taking a bath with hot water, don't use hot water to wash your hair. And even if you do, make sure you, at the end of your shower, just turn on the cold water and rinse your hair in cold water, because it is really bad for your hair to use hot water. I personally like taking bath with cold water, so it is easier for me. If you can't take bath with cold water, just at the end of your shower, just rinse your hair with cold water. I said water a lot. Okay, I guess that has to do. I'll open it and see what damage I did. Okay, it's not bad. I would like to say that it is not very bad. That looks good, right? I think that looks pretty good, right? You can't answer. I'm talking to myself. I like how it looks. Do I make it shorter? I really want to make it shorter. Also, don't apply heat to your hair a lot. It is really bad for your hair to apply heat or blow dry or straighten your hair every day. If you really like the look of straight hair or curly hair, there are natural methods to do that. I've heard it somewhere, but if you divide your hair into parts and then tie rubber bands all throughout hair, like just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on both sides and leave it overnight, you'll have straight hair in the morning. I've tried it. I don't know if it worked. I don't remember. I tried it really long ago. But there are ways to get straight or curly hair if you want it. Let me tie my bangs in the front and then we'll see what happens. You take a triangle, right? I was watching Brad Mondo's video, the hair guru something of YouTube. Sorry. And he was telling us what type of fringe looks better on your face shape, and I have an oval face shape, and he said everything looks nice on an oval face, but I don't know whether I want to do it. Look at how long they are. I've not cut them for a very long time. This video is turning into a comedy video. Look at how I look throughout the video. Whenever I used to get my hair cut in a salon or parlor, I used to tell them to keep it this much, and I used to regret it immediately because for some reason it didn't look good on my face, even though Brad Mondo said everything looks good on an oval face. My camera stopped recording. I'm gonna keep checking again and again whether it is still recording, but yeah, I think I'm happy with how it has turned out. The last tip that I already shared but my camera didn't care to listen to me was that don't tie your hair after you have washed it on the top of your head with a towel. That is really bad for your hair because your hair is really weak after you have washed it, so it breaks really easily. Instead, use a towel to just do this. I don't know what it's called. Okay, so my camera stopped recording the second time. So I was just saying, if you want to tie it on the top of your head, use a t-shirt instead, a cotton t-shirt. It is way more gentle on your hair. Anyways, I'm going to blow dry my hair now. You'll as such not hear me because of the dryer. So I'll just fast forward this clip and then I'll show you how it looks. I don't want to show my face, but I'm going shorter and I won't record it because my camera is running out of storage. And I'll see you after that.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, I've cut them a little more. So it is this short now. And look at this, I don't even know what to do. But I'm gonna blow dry them and then I'll see you. Hey guys, we're back at our usual filming spot. And I just took a bath. I also washed my hair because I honestly regret it a lot. Because this part looks really bad. I am pretty happy with the length, but I'm so happy that I didn't choose to do bangs. But I thought I'll show you the product that I was talking about. this is it. This is the L'Oreal oil replacement cream, and it is really good. So basically, when my hair has dried about 20 to 30%, I just go and take a coin size amount of this and apply it to the bottom part of my hair, and it really helps my hair look shinier and better. So now I am planning on blow drying my hair. I don't usually do it, but for the sake of the video I want it to look a little better. So I'm gonna blow dry it and I'll show you the final thing. I also had a last hair tip that I wanted to add, that is apply hair masks. It changes your hair a lot and it helps your hair a lot. You don't have to go out and purchase any expensive one. You can make them at home. I applied one last week. It was a yogurt, apple cider vinegar and honey mask. It was so good. My hair was so soft and silky after that. So basically I took 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of apple cider and 1 teaspoon of honey and left it in my hair for about an hour and then washed it out. It was really good. So that is the tip, last hair tip. I hope it was helpful, that little tips that I decided to add throughout the video, and I'll blow dry my hair and I'll be right back for the outro. I just wanted to clarify this one thing, just in case if you have been watching my videos, all my videos, thank you if you have, but I just wanted to clarify it that I do own more clothes and this is not the only t-shirt that I own. I usually, whenever I decide to film it, is what I'm wearing. I wear it a lot because I love black. So yeah, just to clarify that I do have more clothes. Okay guys, I'm done blow drying my hair and I don't think it looks much better. I just don't know what this is. It's really annoying me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I looked really bad in the majority of the video, but I'll still post it for entertainment purposes. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and also make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification. Next week's video is going to be really interesting. It's going to be really fun, so make sure you come back for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.